Most men are stuck in the same exhausting cycle, chasing, texting, overthinking, and still, nothing happens. But here's the secret. You don't need to chase women. If you carry yourself with the right mindset, the right energy, they'll approach you. And one of the most powerful tools to do this? Stoic confidence, a way of living that makes you unshakable, magnetic, and quietly irresistible. Stoic confidence isn't about flexing, showing off, or being loud. It's about calm self-assurance, the belief that you don't need approval from anyone to feel valuable. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor, wrote in his journal every day about focusing only on what you can control and letting go of what you can't. In dating, this means you stop obsessing over whether someone likes you and start focusing on being the best version of yourself. Women are deeply tuned to read energy. If your vibe is desperate or needy, they feel it instantly, and they step back. But if you project calm, composed confidence, you stand out in a crowd. It's not about ignoring women. It's about living a life so full and self-assured that they want to be a part of it. The truth is, women often approach men when they feel safe, intrigued, and a little curious. Stoic confidence creates all three. Here are 3 steps to start today. Step 1. Detach from outcomes. Whether she approaches or not, it doesn't change your worth. You're the prize. Step 2. Master your body language. Stand tall, relaxed shoulders, steady eye contact. Speak slowly. No fidgeting. Step 3. Live with purpose. Women are drawn to men who have a mission bigger than them. Whether it's fitness, career, or a creative pursuit, have something that excites you outside of dating. Combine these and you'll project quiet strength, the kind that women notice from across the room. When you live with this mindset, something changes. You stop trying to prove yourself. You start enjoying your own company. And women will sense that you're not looking for validation, which ironically makes them want your attention even more. Think about it. In a room full of men chasing, the one man who isn't becomes the most interesting person there. So if you're tired of chasing and ready to become the kind of man women naturally approach, start practicing stoic confidence today. Focus on yourself, carry yourself with purpose, and let your presence speak louder than your words. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because every week, I'm sharing tools to help you build confidence, master your mindset, and live with magnetic energy.